Get your kids, get your Cheez-Its, and let's explore some math. Let's find a rectangle that has a perimeter of 12. Now, if we pull out our grid paper, we can make a guess, draw it, count it, erase it, and fix. No fun. So instead, let's use our Cheez-Its. That way we can move the math around and solve our problem. Okay, I made my first guess. Let's check our perimeter. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Not to our 12 yet, so we need to add some more. 4, 5, 6, 10, and 12. Yes, we found. So this rectangle is 4 inches by 2 inches. What's the area? 4 times 2 is 8. Inches times inches, square inches. Now let's see if we could come up with another rectangle. So this time we did side 2. How about we try a side of 3? Now the great thing about using these is that we actually have our hands on the math. We could change things on the fly. 2, 5, 7, 10. Not there yet. Let's add some more. Whereas if I was doing this on my grid paper, I would draw a rectangle, have to erase it, redraw it. That can get really frustrating. 3, 6, 9, 12. All right, we found another one. So this one is 3 inches by 3 inches. And so the area, 9 square inches. Do you think we could find one more rectangle? 4, 5, 8, 10. 5, 6, 11, 12. Our area, 5 times 1, square inch. So out of our 3 rectangles we made, which one had the biggest area? And which shape did that happen to be? It's a rectangle, but all the sides are the same, so that's a square. That's a very interesting idea to keep an eye on. Now there are so many places that you could take this math problem. You could change up the perimeter. Instead of 12 inches. What about 13 inches? What about 20 inches? Which shape is going to give you the largest area? Is there a way to figure that out? Is there some kind of formula to figure out the different sides here? So this is an introduction to a math problem that can take you through algebra, through geometry, through calculus, and exploring it many different ways.